where do you want my eyes? Great. It's good to keep laughing. RFID has been 2 years in the making, and I'm excited to share it with you today. At a high level, it's all about inventory accuracy and guest experience. Utilizing RFID, we can eliminate educator and guest pain points and tell the guest exactly where the product that they're looking for is and help them buy it. We're adopting RFID technology at the best time, and we're leading the way. Our business model allows us to gain so much from RFID. Store managers and educators that have already used it in their stores tell us that it contributes to their business and guest experience. As we leverage RFID in the future, we'll be able to add and innovate with new guest experiences and be able to run really efficient stores. So it's all about inventory accuracy and product availability.
Like you can.
I can move my arms?
Yeah,
okay.
You can be comfortable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Awesome.
I'm ready.
Great.
Here we go. I've got one of our cool down long sleeve hang tags right here, and when I turn it around, you're able to see what an RFID chip actually looks like. This chip is really unique, and what it actually does is provides insight into where your product lives, whether it's in the back room or on the floor. RFID technology not only streamlines inventory processes, but also provides 100% accuracy when it comes to restocking. In a nutshell, RFID not only values our time on the floor, but also our guest time, creating a better guest experience.
All right, guys, so let's talk about some of the ways you're going to use RFID in the store. First, we're going to show you how to receive product with RFID, how to restock your floor, and how to count your entire store's inventory in as little as an hour. So let's get into it. Using a handheld device, you'll electronically receive and account for the product inside, eliminating errors and accurately updating your inventory. When scanning the box, think of it like popcorn. A whole bunch are going to go off at once, and then there'll be a few more that will trickle through afterwards. When a product is sold at cash, the same item in that size and color needs to be removed from the back room and onto the floor. We know this as restock. Now, instead of manually printing restock, half-hourly or hourly, RFID software will now immediately call for the item to be restocked from the back room on the restock screen. This means if the product is available, it's always on the floor for our guests.